Report on this virus at Channel 9. We're taking it seriously ourselves. It's why you've seen us on air together, but we're apart.
Yeah, we've all been really careful about social distancing. We're probably about 15 feet away from each other. But this also includes our own government reporter, Joe Bruno. Joe is joining us live now from his own home. Now, Joe, everyone has been ordered to stay home, but you're actually in self-quarantine.
Yeah, trying to get those skyline live shots for my living room and dining room of the painted skyline instead. Basically, to give you a recap, I came in contact with someone last week who has since tested positive for COVID-19. So out of an abundance of caution, since he was symptomatic at the time, I'm going to remain in self-quarantine for a little short while. But the good news is, since most press conferences and most interviews are taking place virtually now, I can still stay plugged in and bring in updates. So without further ado, let's get into Mecklenburg County's numbers right now. Right now in Mecklenburg County, we're sitting at around 204 known cases. For perspective, last week at this time, we only had 37 cases, and the first case of COVID-19 was reported in Mecklenburg County just 15 days ago.
Well, Joe, first of all, we're just glad to see that you are feeling well. Secondly, any update on hospitalizations or community spread today?
So that's something I would really love to ask the health director. Had they had a news conference today, they opted not to. So I went through their spokesperson, and basically they didn't answer my question. It gave me outdated information. But the most recent information we have. It is basically, we're sitting at around a third of the cases being due to community spread as of a couple days ago. As of March 23rd, 1 in 5 cases is requiring a hospitalization here in Mecklenburg County. Again, that's as of March 23rd. It's March 26th now. We are hoping to get updated information from the county as soon as possible.
Joe, speaking of that, the county didn't have a news conference today, but Health Director Gibby Harris is encouraging everyone to follow the stay-at-home order, correct?
Yeah, they put out this short little clip of the health director, Gibby Harris, where she really went over how difficult it is to kind of follow the CDC guidelines to avoid doing things like touching your face. She acknowledged that she has kind of been caught doing so, and it's not easy to follow, but it's just so crucial that we all do it. We listen to the stay-at-home orders, we wash our hands, we take these precautions seriously so we can get through this faster.
All right, Joe Bruno reporting live for us tonight. Joe, stay healthy.